Hey Mom, it is morning, day 2, finally daylight. I've been biking for a little over 2 hours now. This is the road to Ettenberg. Haven't made as much video in the last little bit just because I was hiking at dark last night. Pretty tired when I got into bed, and then it was pretty cold this morning and dark when I started. So that's it. Keep on keeping on. Downhill gravel section. Pretty excited. This is the biggest downhill on the road section today so far. And then there's gonna be a big uphill. The route I took back from Model Beach to Shelter Cove was 43 miles and 6,100 feet of gains. So I imported the Strava GPX file into Gaia GPS. It's in red here. I'll just do a quick flyover by zooming in. So starting at the campground here, the road follows the river through agricultural valleys of Humboldt County, where you can see cannabis farms, cattle ranches, and very rural homesteads. Beautiful country and unique to this part of the United States. So this route is great in that it's probably the most direct gravel bike route back to Shelter Cove. And it avoids a little bit of climbing. It's not as strenuous as some others options. So following the river, the road meanders as the river meanders. Finally leaves it at Honeydew, which is a very small town. So from there, the road goes south, climbing up from around 400 feet to around 1,600. And this is a very steep mountain. All the way to Fox Springs. There's a fork here that will take you to Ettenberg. I continued Wilder Ridge Road due south down this steep gravel road at about 12,000 feet, and then slowly back up to about 16,000 feet. And this road just kind of goes up and down an old logging road through the conservation area. Through Token Campground. There's plenty of water in the before the Token Campground section, but up here you're right on top of the ridge. There's just a lot of water options. Eventually get to this intersection here, your Shelter Cove Road. It's 3 miles downhill. And you can see this is right at 2,000 feet. So it drops 2,000 feet in 3.3 miles, which is pretty incredible. There's also self-service up here. So it's a good place to check in if you're coming off the trail. But there's also self-service in Shelter Cove too. So I just took my phone out of airplane up there.
that's the route. It's awesome, and there's tons of options available.
Hey Mom, having a snack break. It's 10:30. I've done 30 miles, probably have about 20 more to go. I'm on the climbing section of King Mountain Road. Elevation's about 1,300 feet. And about 700 feet climbing left. So, definitely feeling it. Could eat some food. Really nice scenery. Very isolated. There's no one out here. It's kind of cool. Alright, bye Mom. Hey Mom, I made it to the intersection of Kings Mountain Road, which is the last gravel section of this ride, and the pavement. I'm 4 miles from Shelter Cove, and the trip is pretty officially winding down at this point. Got a big downhill, maybe a little uphill, but the ocean's basically the next stop, and then I'll be done. Time for the drive home. As far as gear regrets go, I do regret taking this Frog Togs rain shell. I wish I would have brought my other one. I used it a lot as a windbreaker, and it really tore it up, so it's basically destroyed. And I wish I would have brought the slightly heavier quilt. It was pretty cold last night, and that's it. So I'm gonna keep on keeping on, and we'll see you on the next one. Shelter Cove, my starting and ending area for the bike trip. Cars over there. Pretty awesome trip, and I'm surprised how good the visibility is today. It's supposed to rain pretty hard, and you can see that it's just cloudy. Great visibility below the cloud deck. The trip is over, and it was phenomenal. Pretty spectacular hiking on that trail for 25 miles, and then biking back through those mountains. I would recommend it to anybody. Alright, bye world.